view of the machine. Then the customer will ask, if I choose this kind of machine, how about the quality? Can you make sure about the formed shape? I want to say yes, of course, because the roller design you can check. This is embossing roller, and this unit is for the torch head. And there is 5 roller, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rollers, and here there is again 1 torch head, Turkish head, to adjust the shape. And here is the operation panel. This is the forming roller. It combined the 13 rolling stations into the line. Feeding table, and here is the general view. Even we choose this kind of the machine basement, it won't affect the under rolling shuttle quality. Here is sensor. It's ready for delivery. Okay, thank you for your attention, and hopefully you can subscribe our YouTube channel. This is the single layer door shuttle, and we can notice on the shuttle there is some punching hole, and also here there is some perforated place. Actually, on our machine, once we do cutting, it can do punching, and this one together. Here is the operator. Here is the operator working on the cutting shape, or working on adjusting the profile shape. So the different skills people will do in their different sectional jobs. For example, this is a rolling door shuttle. It's not complicated machine, and it's not complicated rolling shape. But it required some skilled man to regulate the cutting shape. And look, this is the design. There is a punching law, and here is, once we did the cutting, the angle will be cutted. And look at the design. It's pretty cute, huh? It's look like a smiling face.